We use the word ad-deesh in Levantine dialect in so many different ways, and its meaning would change according to the word that's following it. We will start with the most common ways of using ad-deesh and we will build our way from there. Yalla, let's start. You will hear the word ad-deesh in Levantine dialect in 3 different ways or maybe more. Some people, they would say qad-deesh, pronouncing the qa at the beginning. Some people, they would just drop the qa and they would say ad-deesh, qad-deesh, ad-deesh. And some people will go further and they will drop the qaf and the sheen at the end and it would be only ad-de. So you could hear it qad-deesh, ad-deesh or ad-de. They are all the same but just different pronunciation. The most 3 common ways to use ad-deesh are to ask about the time, the age of someone and the price. To ask about the time, you would say ad-deesh is-sa'a. What time is it? This is the meaning, but the literal meaning of each word is ad-deesh how much, is-sa'a the hour. Ad-deesh is-sa'a, what time is it? To ask about someone's age, you will say ad-deesh amrak to a man, ad-deesh amrek to a woman. Of course, the suffix at the end of the word amr, it will change according to the person that we are asking about their age. So ad-deesh, it is how much, amrak is your age. It's just like asking how old are you. ad-deesh amrak, ad-deesh amrek. To ask about the price, we could form it in 2 different ways. We could say bi ad-deesh, adding the preposition bi before ad-deesh, and then we will mention the thing that we are asking about the price, but we have to attach the article il, bi ad-deesh il fustan, for example, bi ad-deesh il shanta. So we need to say bi ad-deesh, and after we use the article il, and after we put the thing that we are asking about. bi ad-deesh il fustan, bi ad-deesh il shanta, how much is the dress, how much is the bag. The second way of asking about the price, it would be by following the word ad-deesh with the word ha, value or price sa'ar. So it would be ad-deesh ha or ad-deesh sa'ar. And after this, we will mention the thing that we are asking about, how much they cost or how much is the price. ad-deesh ha il-fustan, ad-deesh sa'ar il-fustan. But if you already are talking to the person about the thing and you and the person you are talking to, they know what you are talking about, you could just attach a suffix to the word ha or sa'ar to refer to the thing that you are asking about, if it is feminine or masculine, or if they are plural also. So you could say ad-deesh ha o, how much is it? If you are asking about a masculine thing, ad-deesh ha if you are asking about a feminine thing, ad-deesh hon if you are asking about a plural thing. The same applies to the word sa'ar. ad-deesh sa'ro, how much is it masculine? ad-deesh sa'arha or sa'ra, how much is it feminine? ad-deesh sa'arhon, how much are they plural. You could use ad-deesh al-hisab, how much is the calculation, or ad-deesh al-fatura, how much is the bill. If you are in a restaurant and you want to ask about the bill, you would just say ad-deesh al-hisab or ad-deesh al-fatura. Or if you are in a store and you bought more than one thing and you want to ask how much all of them together, you could just say ad-deesh al-hisab or ad-deesh al-fatura. We use the verb bikallef after ad-deesh to ask how much it costs to do something. So if someone is providing you with a service, fixing or preparing something for you, and you want to ask how much it costs this service, you would say ad-deesh bikallef if you are asking about a masculine thing, ad-deesh bitkallef feminine, ad-deesh bikalfu plural. And after this, you will put the service that they are providing. For example, you are fixing your car and you want to ask how much it costs to fix the car. In Arabic, you will say قديش بكلف تصليح السيارة. قديش بكلف how much it costs. تصليح repairing or fixing السيارة the car. Or you want to paint your house and you want to ask how much it costs to paint the house. In Arabic you will say قديش بكلف دهان البيت. قديش بكلف how much it costs. دهان is the painting, and as I mentioned in a previous video, دهان in Arabic it is only to paint the walls or to paint something. It's not like drawing in English. قديش بكلف دهان البيت the house. قديش بكلف دهان البيت. قديش بكلف تصليح السيارة. We use how much also to ask how much do you want of something or how much do you have. To ask how much do you want, you will say قديش بدك if you are talking to a man. Of course, the suffix at the end of بدك, it changes according to the person you are asking. So if you are talking to a woman, you will say قديش بدك. If you are talking to more than one person, you will say قديش بدكن. And after this, you will put the thing that you are asking about, how much they want of it, and you use only uncountable things like sugar, سكر, قهوة, coffee, شاي, tea, وقت, time, مصاري, money. So things that we don't count one by one. For example, if you want to ask how much coffee do you want, you will say قديش بدك قهوة. Or if you want to ask how much time do you want to finish, you would say قديش بدك وقت لتخلص. قديش بدك وقت, how much time do you want here or do you need لتخلص to finish. قديش بدك, قديش بدك, قديش بدكن. To say how much do you have of something, again uncountable, you would say قديش معك. Again, the suffix will change according to the person that you are asking. قديش معك to a man, قديش معك to a woman, قديش معكن to a group of people. How much money do you have? قديش معك مصاري. How much time do you have? قديش معك وقت. There are still more ways to use ad-deesh in the Levantine dialect. We will go over them in our next lesson about ad-deesh. Use what we learned today in examples, leave me a comment and I will correct them for you. Now let's go over our words for today. How much is قديش, ad-deesh, ad-day? What time is it? قديش الساعة. How old are you? قديش عمرك. How much is بقديش. How much is the dress بقديش الفستان. How much is the bag بقديش الشنطة. How much is قديش حق. قديش سعر. How much is the dress قديش حق الفستان. قديش سعر الفستان. How much is قديش حقه masculine. قديش حقها feminine. قديش حقهن plural. قديش سعره masculine. قديش سعرها feminine. قديش سعرهم plural. How much is the total? قديش الحساب. How much is the bill? قديش الفاتورة. How much does it cost? قديش بكلف masculine. قديش بتكلف feminine. قديش بكلفوا plural. How much does car repair cost? قديش بكلف تصليح السيارة. How much does it cost to paint the house? قديش بكلف دهان البيت. How much do you want? قديش بدك masculine. قديش بدك feminine. قديش بدكن plural. How much coffee do you want? قديش بدك قهوة. How much time do you need to finish? قديش بدك وقت لتخلص. How much do you have? قديش معك masculine. قديش معك feminine. قديش معكن plural. How much money do you have? قديش معك مصاري. How much time do you have? قديش معك وقت. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked today's video, share it with your friends and give me thumbs up. If you want to see more questions about Levantine dialect, you could check it over here. If you want to see more phrases, you could check them over there. See you there. Yalla bye.